I'm Andrew, a team member here on Pause to Care For, and in today's episode we're going to be talking about where zoos get their food for the animals from. Most zoos say they get their food from a USDA approved facility, but we don't know exactly where that is. Some zoos will have their own natural gardens with fruits and vegetables and herbs to feed their animals. But most of the research we came up with circled around the question, not directly answering it. It was never a straightforward answer. So we can assume that it's safe, but them not giving a straight answer is kind of sketchy. However, some zoos can't afford lots of food or good quality food, so some zoos would feed them processed, cheap, but tasty food. This could lead the animals to being overweight. So we might not actually know where the zoos get their food from, but there's a website called Mazuri, not like the state, it's spelled Mazuri. So this website provides food especially good in nutrition to zoos in specific, just not all animals. This website excludes meats. So any of the carnivores, they're not going to really have the stuff for that. So that's where we have to assume they're getting their meats from a USDA approved facility. That's all we have in today's episode. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And any comments, leave them down in the comment section below. We'll catch you guys in the next episode. I love you.